So today we're here at the Greater Cincinnati YMCA. We're decaling onto this mountain scene that they have here to use for their Zoom fitness classes. So we'll keep you updated as we go. We're on piece 2 and we're gonna do the hinge method. So we have it taped down so that we can lift up half of it and peel off the backing on just half of it. So here we go. It's gonna cut off that half of it right there. There's taking a squeegee as he goes along and gently putting down that top half while this half stays secure with the backing on. All right, so we got the top half squeegee down and secured. So now we've flipped up that bottom half and Andrew's doing the same thing where he's removing that paper backing. And then we're gonna set it back down while we squeegee just like we did on the last one. Andrew's just wrapping the edges there, but it looks great, went on smooth.